How to download Google Docs as PDF on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Docs application on your phone. The Google Docs app on iPhone allows users to create, view, and edit documents, including Microsoft Word files. It supports real-time collaboration, offline access, and various file format handling. Now, open any of your file from here. Once you're here, go to the top right corner and tap on the three dots. Then, go to Share and Export below. Here, tap on Print. Tap on the Share icon at the top over here. You can view all the sharing options available. As you can see, the doc file is already converted to a PDF file to enable printing. Now, tap on Save to Files. You have now successfully downloaded this file as a PDF to your phone. Following these steps, you can easily download Google Docs as PDF on iPhone.